Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. Oh, sorry. Happy Thursday. Morning here. What's up, Los Polos Sopas? It's a great day today. It's sunny and cool. What I'm doing today, I'm going to do a solar panel cleaning. The panel will be the first time cleaning since they put it up. So they have had a what do you call that? Mold already. So you can see there. Turn around. This is this cause you never clean your panels right now. Well, right now here, my client's home is the roof is metal. That's why I want to bought my shoes that actually not slide for metal. So I'll show you right now what my shoes is that has a good thread and the panels. Tip, I bought this from PSC. That's a pretty nice one. Yeah, and here's the panel. You can see that in the bottom there is some mold, running mold right now. Zoom it up right there. And so it's that way. Through here. Yep. And I just have my solar panel cleaning equipment right now. I have out here. Solar panel cleaning brush. So, yep, that's what I'm doing right now. And it looks great when I finish cleaning the panels. So I have to take a picture on it. So, anyway, yeah, that's it, guys. So this is a great time to clean the panel right now. If you have a panel, have it been cleaned before? Give me a call, send me a message. I will happy to come and clean your panel. So anyway, that's very careful because, like I said, the metal rope is slippery, especially when it's wet. That's why I wanna come too early, and now I'm not come too late anyway. So, alright, guys, thank you for watching. Like I said, you need some solar panel, send me a message. I will appreciate you coming occupied your needs for service. Alright, you guys have a great day. Once again, Marlon here with Southwest Polo Soap Plus for solar panel cleaning. Also window cleaning, you guys need to. You guys have a great day.